Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have this really fun DIY beaded fringe top. This would actually be perfect for festival season or simply just a new fun piece to add to your wardrobe for the summer. So for this DIY you're going to need your chosen top, about 3 bags of pony beads, a ruler, tailor's chalk, scissors and a measuring tape. To start off, fold over your top so that both side seams are meeting each other. Okay, so taking your measuring tape, you're going to mark in where you want your beads to start. Then using your ruler, you're going to draw a line through that marked point and then use the fold of your top as a guide. And then don't forget to repeat this on the back. So using your fabric scissors, cut strips right up to that marked line and don't worry if they aren't all even. It can be tricky to cut the fabric, so if you actually want to, you can place down a piece of paper or card. This will just give you a nice surface to lean on. Okay, so now for the fun part. You can start to put the beads onto your top and you can do them in any order that you want. If you want to create a design or you just want one colour, it's up to you. So this part can actually take some time, so what I'd like to do is sit back and watch a movie and just really enjoy what I'm doing. Okay, so when you get to the side seams, the hem and the seam together can actually make it impossible to get the beads on. So simply undo the hem and this will actually just get rid of that bulk and allow you to get the beads on. Remember to tie the ends of the fabric to hold those beads in place. And that's how you create a beaded fringe top with a lot of beads and a lot of patience. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share the love and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Also check out my social media that's linked below and you can stay updated on any projects that I'm working on. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!